tunnels made for submarines in the World War II.
Where's that? So that's for the submarines here?
No. You will see one entrance there, another up, and one is behind the queue.
So that's the harbor for the submarine? It's a harbor for the submarine?
Yeah, like the tunnel for submarine. There is a complex of tunnels.
Oh, inside the hill?
Yeah, like ants.
Yeah.
Like that. There is a storage road, everything they need to go off the wall. You will now see also the plastics on the top of the panels. That is like for the camouflage. We will be visiting the second tunnel because the first one is always covered. Also,
Yeah, that's the submarine tunnel.
Oh, geez. Submarine's house.
So this is from the old Yugoslav days, right?
yeah.
And you said, who built this?
President
Tito.
Okay, so Tito
Tito
built,
everything.
so 3 different submarine tunnels. This is number 2? So how deep does it go?
120 meters.
120 meters? So almost 400 feet?
Oh, it looks scary. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
It's like a place to get murdered. Yeah. And it was nice knowing you guys. Yeah. Oh
Wow.
my gosh. This is so crazy. It's very cool. Oh my god. So the submarine goes here and then stays here or something?
Well,
or?
this is, so the submarines were underneath here so that you couldn't see them from with the spy planes.
Uh-huh.
And so you have all the doors that go into the army barracks where the soldiers were.
Crazy. That's how you get out, I guess. Right? Oh my gosh.
That's like a 70-year-old tire.
Pretty creepy.
Right? Checking out the old submarine tunnel here.